Hello everyone, hope all are doing fine and welcome to my in this tutorial 2021. This lecture will be specially for the beginners because many of my viewers asking that sir you why not making the videos for especially beginners. So this video especially for the beginners, I highly recommend it to the beginners. Okay, so first of all you can see here the Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 version. Okay, if you don't know how to install the AutoCAD 2021 version on your PC or desktop, check in my description box. I'll give you the link where you can install AutoCAD 2021 free version. So after installing complete this AutoCAD software, you will get this interface. Here you will get three sections. First, second section is recent documents and the third section is notifications. In our first section, here you can see start drawing option. If you click here, you will simply go to the your drawing sheet. Okay, here you can take any templates. Okay, and from here you can choose any file which you saved in your AutoCAD software, so which you saved. So open your file from here also and directly just go to your drawing sheet, open a sheet set. Okay, get more templates online. You can take more templates online, explore sample drawings. Here is nothing about to learn more, especially for the beginners. Okay, and here the recent documents, so which you have performed any task in AutoCAD or any work and you saved it. So here you can see the recent documents. So here you will show the recent documents. From here just simply click and just you come to the your this drawing sheet. Okay, and now you can work on this first floor plan option. Here the notifications bar, here is generally giving update. Okay, and here you can sign in to your account and from here you can send the feedback. Okay, so let's come into our sheet. So simply just click on this start drawing option. I'll just click over here. So actually after clicking on this start drawing, actually this software looks like this. Looks like this. Okay, now we'll know about some very basic settings and very basic drawing concepts, that how we'll start the drawing on our sheets. Okay, so first of all here you can see the display, which is the black color. Actually this is the display. Okay, where you can make your drawing. This is your drawing sheet where you can work. Okay, see my cursor. Okay, see my cursor. So this is your drawing sheet. Okay, so here you can work or you can draw any drawing. Okay, by the help of these tools. Okay, so this is the very helping tools. Okay, so before using these tools you must know about it. Okay, first of all first of all here you can see the gear icon, which is called workspace switching. Okay, if you click to this drop down menu, and here you can see the option drafting and annotation, 3D basics, 3D modeling. Okay, if you wanna work, if you wanna draw 3D drawing, which is the basic form, you can choose this option. Okay, and if you wanna work in 3D modeling, so you can choose the 3D modeling. But now we are in the initial level, especially for the beginners. So beginners, first of all, this setting is actually selected by default. Okay, when you install your new version of AutoCAD, means you have to know first about it. Drafting and annotation means simple 2D drawing. Okay, 2D drawing. So here you can see the 2D interface. This is the very basic 2D interface. Okay, so first of all, suppose this is the line command. Okay, and many other tools, so which is the on the draw panel. So this is the called panel: draw panel, modify panel, annotation panel, layers, block, properties, group, utilities, clipboard, views. Okay, this is the draw panel. So first of all, we'll draw a simple line. Okay, simple line. So just take a line over here, and now your command is active now for making the line. Just specify first point, click here, anywhere you can click. I just click here and I'll just make the line. Okay, so here you can see your line is moving any around anywhere. Okay, so where you will move your mouse or move your cursor, your line will go actually on that stage or on that particular angle or the area. But if you want to make this line exactly perpendicular, okay, for that here you can see the ortho mode option. Ortho mode option, just click over here, so your line will go perpendicular, okay, at an angle of 90 degree. So if we draw a horizontal line, so you can see your line is going horizontally, which is the straight line. Okay, we'll draw a line vertically, so you can see here line is going upward vertically. Okay, and now if you want to draw a line at an angle of any degree, so just simple off your ortho mode, and now you can see here we are from 0 degree. We'll move our cursor up, will degree will be change. Okay, here you can see 23, 24, 25, 26, any other. Okay, so here you can see how to make line command. And suppose if you have to give the distance line command, suppose we have to draw a 50 unit line. Okay, so take a line and just on your ortho for your line going straight, and just simple press 50 and press enter. Alright, then press escape key. Now you can simply scroll in. Okay, so that scroll up or down, zoom in, zoom out, you can. So your line is actually shown in this drawing. So this is the 50 unit line, guys. Okay, but Okay, here you can see how we can draw this line of 50 mm. So for that we have to check it is exactly 50 or not, right? So for that, type di, which is the distance command. Type di, which is the shortcut key for the distance command, and press enter. And now click first endpoint here and click other endpoint here. So now you can see here the exactly dimension is 50. All right, now what will we do? You can see here the circle. Okay, we're leaving the polyline right now because will make you understand more, okay, and get you the easy. So you can draw this circle from here. Just simple click one on this circle icon and specify center point of circle. Give specify, and you can see here you can draw any circle in the radius form. Okay, suppose I'll give radius which is the 2. So I press 2 and press enter. So here you can see the radius actually 2. This circle is made of radius 2. Okay, if you wanna delete this, just select this, okay, by selection this type of, okay, from right to left, and just select this circle, and you can simply click on erase, or you can type the delete button from your keyboard. Now again we take a circle and now draw a circle, but this time we have to put the diameter value. So here you can see the diameter option. So click over here and now give the diameter. I'll give 4. Press enter. So here you can see this circle made actually at the radius of 4. Okay, so here you can draw the circle. Okay, and slowly will follow the drawing, will make you the practice. Okay, will make the drawing format so that you will more know about AutoCAD. Okay, actually now the basic settings. Okay, basic settings. If you just install your AutoCAD, so here you will actually, if you will get this option, so it would be better for you, but you will not get this all settings here. First of all, these all are called toggle keys. Okay, toggle keys. And if you are not getting these toggle keys when you installed new your AutoCAD, so nothing worry, just go here, customization option, just click over here, and you can see the total settings over here, which is selected. So which is selected, they are showing here. If I'll go to unselect, then this icon will go hide. Okay, let me show you how. I'll hide from dynamic input to 2D object snap. So just watch carefully to this icon. It will go hide. When I deselect, see, all the icons are going to be hide. So I'll just again check mark this, select this. So first of all, you see whatever happens, it generally people don't get this interface. So simply you can take it from here. Alright guys, now again what will we do? This is called the UCS icon, which is origin 0, 0, which is lie here. Okay, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Means this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis direction. So you can see here x-axis and y-axis, and you can make the perfection in your drawing in AutoCAD 2D. Okay, and this is called the command bar. Here you can type any command which is available on this bar or ribbon. We take line from here and we take circle from here. So we can also take circle and line from here also. So for taking line, just simple press L. This is the shortcut key for line command. If you press only L, you can see here the line command option is available. You click over here, or simply you can press L enter. Your line command will be active. Now you can take a line. Okay. For circle, type C. Here you can see the circle option, or you can simple just type on your command bar C and press enter. Your circle command will active. So here further I'll take more shortcut keys for the especially beginners, and will make you the I'll try to give you the drawing format, and will do practice further, so that if you are very from basic level, if you are from zero level, so we are going from zero to advanced. So for that you have to attend our all lectures. Okay, so for that subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also, because if you subscribe our channel, so when I'll upload my videos, you will get my videos, okay, on your YouTube. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please must press the bell icon after subscription, because when you press the bell icon, you will get my notifications message on your phone or desktop anymore. Okay, so guys, hope this was the beneficial. How is the lecture? Please tell your comments in our comment section. So we are very appreciate for that. So guys, this was the AutoCAD tutorial 2020-21. So thank you guys for being here.